Welcome! In this video we are going to explore something we have already seen a little bit in our previous lessons. In those lessons we used column and row in some of our examples. Today we are going to take a closer look at them with detailed explanation. In Compose, layouts are how we organize and position UI elements on the screen. Think of them like containers or shelves. You can stack things vertically with a column, line things up horizontally with a row, or even overlap them using a box. Let's start with column. It places children vertically, one below the other. I start with writing column, and I have some images. I'm just gonna copy them and let's see the preview. I need to make these smaller and I want to use all screen, so I need to use a modifier. So here we are. So let's continue with the next steps. I want to put some space between them, so I need to use vertical arrangement. I can arrange my items. In example, I can start them from the bottom or center. I can use space evenly. It gives equal vertical space between every item and the top and bottom. Space between gives space between items but no space at the bottom or top. Space around gives equal space around each item, meaning half space at top and bottom, as you see. And we can give manual space size between them using spaced by, and I can do this as 20 dp. With using column, we can give horizontal alignment too. With using horizontal alignment, with the help of alignment, we can align our items horizontally as start, end, and center horizontally. And let's continue with row. It's the same concept, but instead of stacking vertically, it places items side by side. I'm just gonna copy that and paste right there. I need to change this as row, and we need to do some changes. So as you see, we used vertical arrangement while using column, but in here we need to use horizontal arrangement, and instead of horizontal alignment we need to use vertical alignment, and I need to change this to as center vertically, and the options same as column. Let's try. And arrangement options are same as column, space evenly, space around, and space between. Or we can give a size. And we can change this as top. And box is a layout that allows you to stack elements on top of each other. Think of it like a pile. The first item is at the bottom and the next one goes on top. It's similar to frame layout in classic Android views. So we write box. I will copy this image and paste right there. And let's say wrap content size. So it's gonna be size of the image. I want to add an icon top of this image. and it can be green. And I want to put it bottom end. And let's change the size of icon. 30p, 30dp. Yes, I think that's good. So let's combine these three layouts. I want to make a list of persons. First, as parent layout, I need a column. And I want it to fill max size. Every item must be a row. An image at first, and as second it will be a text as their name. And I'm just gonna copy that box example, paste inside row layout. I need to put a text. As person name. I want to put some space. And I'm gonna copy that row. I want to change image. As parents layout, we used column. For every item, we use row. For combine an image and icon, we use box layout. So it's really important to know about layout because it's the second phase in Compose. If you find this lesson useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and left a comment. See you in the next lessons. Bye!